Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about to and enough. These words, we use them with adjectives. If we want to talk about adjectives, or in the example of enough, we can use enough with adjectives or nouns. Let's start with to. Be careful with spelling, it's T-O-O, double O. We use to when we talk about something that is more than we want or more than we like. So how do we do that? We have the word to, and then we add the adjective. So for example, we can say outside is too hot. I know it's not the case now because it's too cold, but it's just an example. So what does too hot mean? It means that it's hotter than we want it to be. So in this example, we have to use to. What do we do if something is exactly as we like it or exactly as we want it? For example, it's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's exactly how we want it to be. We use enough in that case. So how do we do that? We start with the adjective now, and then we put enough. So for example, if it's exactly how we want it to be, we say hot enough. Okay, it's not too hot, it's hot enough. That means I like it, right? Or you can also have the negative, right? How do we do that? We say it's not hot enough. Okay, so when we talk about adjectives, we can use to or we can use enough. But we can also use enough with nouns, we said. So for example, I don't want to say hot. I don't want to use an adjective. Hot is an adjective because it describes something. I want to use the noun. What noun can we use in this case? Let's think about it. Let's say heat. Okay, so we can say there is enough. In this case, if we use a noun, we start with enough. Okay, be careful with this. If you use an adjective, you start with the adjective and then you add enough. If you have a noun, you start with enough and then you add the noun. So there is enough heat. You can say it both ways, hot enough, enough heat. It depends on what you use. If you use an adjective or if you use a noun. Thank you for watching.